Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you on how to fix Apex Legends error code 201, failed to log in, failed to connect to the server, try again later. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So there are four ways to fix this problem. Okay, so if you want to know what are the methods to fix this, just keep on watching. First of all, you want to open your browser and you want to check the status of the game. So to do that, you want to search for apexlegends.status.com, and you should see here this graph. Okay, so if you see any peak on this graph, it means that the game is under maintenance. Okay, but as you can see, it doesn't have any peak right here. So that means that as of now, the Apex Legends is on good condition. And here, as you can see, all of these are running. So if you see any peak right here, you should just wait for an hour or two and then try again on playing the game. And that should help you with your problem, okay? But let's just say all of these are good, but you still facing the error 201. So what you need to do is to just go ahead and refresh your internet connection. Okay, so to do that, you want to unplug your router. And once you've unplugged your router, just go ahead and wait for 30 seconds or a minute. Then after that, just go ahead and plug in again your router. Then after that, just go ahead and try to open again the game. And if that method doesn't work for you, you can also do is to just go ahead and reboot your device. Okay, so you need to make sure that you log out your account on Legends. And after you log out your account, just go ahead and restart or shut down and turn on again your device. Okay, and that should help you with your problem. And now what you can do is, if this method doesn't work for you still, is to just go ahead and do the simple steps. Okay, so you want to search on your device the firewall. Here, Windows Defender Firewall, go ahead and click that. Here, click on Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. So just go ahead and click on that again. And then here you need to click on the Turn Off Windows Defender Firewall, but it is not recommended. Okay, so it's up to you if you want to try this method. Okay, so once you turn off all of these, you just need to open and try playing the game. Okay, and that should help you with your problem. But you need to make sure that you turn this on after you play the game for safety purposes only. So let's just say these three methods doesn't work for you. The last thing that you have is to just go ahead and update the game. Okay, so just go ahead and search for the game and update it on your game launcher. Okay, and that is all of the methods to fix this problem. So I hope any of these methods work for you. And if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.